No.
Hi guys, this video is going to be very useful and very beneficial for you. In this video, we'll teach you what to do if a criminal points a pistol at your head and how you can defend yourself in such a dangerous situation. So let's start the video. In this video, there are two mistakes you must avoid as they can be very dangerous for you. Mostly you watched these techniques, but if I use this method, you can see the attacker can instantly punch me in the face with the other hand. So this is very dangerous for you. Let's say I try another technique, bringing my hand from above and attempting to disarm the pistol like this. As you can see, the attacker quickly grabbed my throat and fired with the weapon. So don't try this technique. Now I'll show you the perfect, easy and quick self-defense technique. When the attacker tells you to put your hands up, from this position you should quickly control both of his hands so he cannot fire the weapon or attack you with the other hand. Step number 1, like this, grab his both hands like this position as you can see in the video. Again try, you will do 3 moves, face side and grab his both hands like this. Number 2, twist your body like this position as you can see in the video. Now pinch the attacker with the wall. You can see he is fully under control. Now snatch the pistol like this position. Guys, now I'll show you this technique from the other side so you can understand better. Yes. Step 1, this side position. Step 2, back and here, lock it. Guys, I will show you this technique fast motion in real situation how it works or not. Yes. Hands up. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting and more beneficial video for yourself, so subscribe our channel and share our video with your friends, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you.